it guys and girls, I'm on the dairy farm again today, and I've got the Delta Wolf with me, and I've installed the new Vector Optics Continental, what is it, 4x24x56 scope onto it. And let me tell you, that thing is going to be a beast out here. I'll be able to see much better now, so I'm just getting to the place where I want to shoot. The wind is a bit bad, the gun is zeroed, so without further ado, let me get out there and let's start shooting. Let's get started. Okay, everything is set up and we are ready to shoot, but before I start shooting, I just want to give a massive thanks to Daystate for sending me the Delta Wolf. It's been a long wait, but it's finally here and now I can start making videos with it. Also a massive thanks to Blades and Triggers here in South Africa for making it possible to put the gun in my hands. They are one of the local retailers here for Daystate, Brocock and MTC. So if you guys are interested in one of those brands here in South Africa, you can reach out to them. Also a massive thanks to Vector Optics, Matoska Tactical and Spartan Arms International here in South Africa for sending me this fine Vector Optics. This is the Continental 4x24x56, sorry, with a 34mm tube, zero stop, and this thing is just unfreaking believable. You guys will see in just a bit as I start shooting. It really has fine glass in it. The turret clicks on this thing is just remarkable. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is beautiful. In any case, they also have sent me this shooting sticks that I'm currently using now. I forgot my bipods at home, but luckily this was inside of my bucky, so that has made up for that. So I'm not gonna speak too much. I'm just gonna enjoy myself today shooting. But in the future videos, I'm going to do a review on the gun and also on the scope. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you can be notified of all the upcoming videos. But without further ado, let's get into the shooting and enjoy. Okay, we've got a couple of doves here at 65-ish yards around there. I'm going to try to put it in focus. The scope only has 30, 50. It starts from 15 or 10 yards actually, 15, 20, 30, 50, 100, 200, 300, 500 infinity. So it's going to be a difficult thing to focus it up, but hopefully you guys will be able to see it. Might need to hold a little bit for the wind, but let's see. Oh, got it. That was the first one for today. There's a house sparrow in the same place. Ah, smacked it. Beautiful. That's nice. There's another couple of them there. Oh, smacked him as well. There's not a lot of wind, but I still need to hold slightly for the wind. There's another couple that came in. Pulled it. That was my mistake. Oh, that was not too bad. A couple of house sparrows and a dove at 65 yards. That's about 1.4 MRAD. So really nice. I love this scope with the zero stop, so I don't get the range wrong. Really nice. Very happy. Ammo of choice today is the JSB 18.13 grain pellets, and I'm shooting them at 865 feet per second. It's really accurate, so not too bad. I have a ton of them, so that's the reason why I decided to use them. So let's smack a couple more. Got one a bit further, around 86 yards. So let's see if I can get this one. Oh, what a beauty! That is a freaking beautiful shot. Really nice, 86 yards right in the head. 18.13 grain pellets, they are doing the job. Man, oh man, this is fun. It's been a long time since I've been out here, so I'm just so excited. Every time I can be out here shooting, it's just the best. So now new gear, I mean, what can you ask more for? Okay, we got the dove here at 42 yards. It's actually very close. I'm not gonna do any turret adjustments. I think my 30 yard zero should be way more than enough. So here we go. That's how you take it down. Close, but still fun, like I always say. Got one here at 61 yards. And I think I have to hold for the wind a little bit. So we'll have to see. Oh, beautiful shot. That was a very nice shot. Absolute clean kill. There's one. At 46 yards. Just want to make sure. It's very close, but just still want to make sure. Don't want to. Don't want to injure it, rather, you know, kill it on the spot. There it flies off, and it's sat a little bit further. Just want to make sure it doesn't fly off again. And 3. Again at 64 yards. Solid shot. It's like I'm holding about half a mil. Just make sure. About half a mil for the wind where I'm sitting at the moment. I had to move because they had to feed the cows. So I decided to move towards this end because of that big heap of sand lying over there. Can't really shoot over it, but at least it gives me a nice open shot now. Right next to the fence, so with all the dead doves starting to lie there now, it brings in more tension, so I don't need to walk around with the gun and the shooting sticks. It's a little bit uncomfortable walking around with all the camera gear and the gun and so on. So if I can sit a bit still at one place, it really helps me a ton. So yeah, not too bad so far. I would have liked to shoot more, but the activity is really down today here for some reason. I don't know if it's because of the cold or the wind, but I really expected more doves here today, but it's really quiet at the moment. Got one here at 51 yards. Let's see. Solid shot. Another beauty of a shot at 51 yards. I think I'm going to move the camera in a better position. I've been up and down now with all the cows around here, so it makes it difficult to film some of the things. Let me see if I can't quickly move the camera. That was a beauty of a headshot or a neck shot at 90 yards. That was the furthest one for the day. Oh, 105 yards straight in the bloody head. That was freaking beautiful. You can see it's flapping there like crazy. That was a perfect headshot. That was ridiculously nice. Damn it, that was the furthest one for the day so far. Just after that 90 yard one, I thought that I will keep it at that range, but I pushed my luck and very happy. I'm very happy. Well, guys and girls, I'm going to call it a wrap for today. It was tons of fun. We had some nice shots with the Daystate Delta Wolf, and this vector optics is just amazing. If you guys like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to hit that subscribe button with the bell notification if you want to see more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.